The world is changing so fast. What about us? We envision a world where problems transform into promises. Clean hydrogen energy creates limitless possibilities. End-to-end hydrogen solutions create a seamless flow, sustainably changing, improving, and simplifying our lives. Positive energy on the way to everyone.